Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to hide rows. So if you want to hide rows, you can select rows. I will select from number 3 into number 7. Right click and then you can choose hide rows. To show the hide rows, you can click at this icon. The other option, you also can use group tools to hide rows. You can select again, like I will select number 3 into 7, right click, go to view more row actions, and then you can click group rows. Now to hide, you can click this icon. To show rows, you can click again this plus icon. And then if you want to delete group, you can right click and then you can click remove. Okay, that's it for basic Google Sheet tutorial how to hide rows. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.